Hey coders, in this video you can learn about declaring and reference simple variables. Like, just as in Java and every other programming language, you can create variables in Kotlin to store data in memory. Every variable declares in Kotlin start with one or two keywords. Val means the variable is immutable, like its value cannot be set once. So, if I say, well, number 1 is equals to 122, then I simply print this number. The value of number 1 you can put a dollar sign to showing the variable value. Now you will see the output in the bottom. You will see the value of, sorry, now I again run this code. The value of number 1 is 22. Now I can increment this number. Simply double plus, then it will shows to me an error because val cannot be reassigned. I am saying that val means that the variable is immutable. You can see on there, it's an immutable, it's used for once. Then I will change into var, then it's completely working fine because var always using many times. Now simply I am print this number. So I will add the new because it's a new number. Then I will see the output. The new value of number 1 is 123. That's working fine. Now I'm not declaring any data types. If you are declaring any data types, Kotlin is a very easy way to declaring a data types. Like, it's a variable name number 1. I can put a colon, then I will add the data type like int. Then I will show you the result. The result is same because it's already an integer data type. But by default, Kotlin always said if you are not declaring any data type, then Kotlin always said by default what type of the data, what type of string you are putting in a variable. If I am changes the number in a floating value like this, then this will shows to me an error. This is because this is a floating point and I am declaring a data types in integer value. That's why this is showing to me an error. So if you are declaring and data type, this is the simplest way. If you are using as a string, as an integer, as a floating value and much more. Now in the next, I will take a new val because I am using its 1, that's why I am using val number 2. I am declaring a data type as a float. Then if I am add 12, then also it will shows to me an error because it's an integer data type. Then I will add the simplest code like float, then it will show to me an best answer like print ln number 2. Then I will simply print this number. The answer is 12.0 because I am using a data types of a float. These are the many data types we are using in a Kotlin. But like Java, Kotlin is statically typed and it's just doing a lot of work of determining variable types for you. If you are liking our session, so please be a like and subscribe our channel.